Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, we are at Banff National Park. So, ito po yung nakikita namin today along the road. Marami po silang elk. Ayan, nagpahinga po sila sa gilid ng kalsada. Ayan. So, meron pa doon. Natakpan lang ng mga puno. Meron pa rin doon. Ayun, look at the beautiful mountain, guys. Napakaganda. At hindi, wag muna pa kasi I have to finish my video like 1 hour plus. So I have a long video that I will post in YouTube. Hi! 1 hour, 1 minute pala plus. 1 minute plus. Ang ganindot naman ng mga elk na yan. Hi! Wala ikadagindot kailang mga sungay, guys. Beautiful mountain over there. OMG! Stunning! Oh my gosh! Nandun talaga sila, oh. Nice capture, Papa. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow! Yung isa, guys, kumakain. Yung isa naman, nakaupo. Nagpahinga. Ayan! Hi! Kaya ginoo pa nindot. Ito sa mountain, guys. Yung nindotaan. Yung radyo pang postcard, guys. Ay.